Where are we going?
New Caledonia.
No.
No?
Vanuatu.
It's in New Caledonia.
When it rains, it pours. We don't know what's happening. I have a suspicion it has something to do with the alternators. Somewhere down in here, I could smell Vanuatu, here we come. We are, I don't think we're halfway yet, but making great progress. The sea, last night Ruby was laying on the couch sleeping, and I went down for a little nap, and all of a sudden a huge wave came, and it lasted forever, but all the stuff that we had fell on top of her, and she screamed like I've never heard her scream before. It was horrible. There's swell coming from the south down by New Zealand. There's so much crazy weather down there. So there's swell coming, random waves coming this way, big ones. And we also have like 22 knots of wind. So we're just bumping along with the Genoa and the mainsail. So we're getting the Gennaker out. Just trying to pick up some speed. It's a little too wild for the Spinnaker. So, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so last night we made it to Vanuatu. We're in like a little bay, and then there's a couple boats here. And there's supposed to be like a hot spring heated from a volcano, like swimming holes. So yeah, we might check out some of that stuff today.
So cool here. Check out these canoes.
That one tree.
Customs. So their customs office is on the other side, and they're so kind to drive clear over here. It's like two hour drive. Let's go. This guy here is yelling at the fishermen, telling them where the fish are. This is where the missionaries live. It's insane. We just sat in there and talked to them for a while. So cool. I could not even fathom being a missionary here. How about it? This is how the missionaries cook.
Nothing's burning. The wood here does not like to burn. But this is how we're cooking because we got no gas.
So this is Elder Bramwell from California, San Diego.
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, he's actually leaving the island Monday and going to
Vila Tafati.
Vila. So anyway, this is where they live. His paradise. So cool. They had a baptism this morning, and it's just right out here, right?
Literally just right in the water. I can show you a picture.
So
Thomas.
So this is where they drink their kava, and I guess everybody comes here. Well, not everybody. The men come around 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon and drink. And the women, if they come through, they have to walk around while they're doing it. Check out this tree. These banyan trees are awesome. Alrighty, we are just going to shore to Stanley. I think Stanley's taking us. Anyway, we're going on a tour over to the volcano. Looks insane. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Alright, we just stopped. I guess we have to get briefed before we go.
Hi! Volcano is up here. You can see all the smoke. It's crazy.
So cool! Just a minute ago you could hear it erupting. Can you see lava here?
I mean, look how crazy this is. That's the lava. And up there's the sunset. Can you see it? Oh yeah, you can. So cool.
Goodbye. See you soon. Words can't even describe how wonderful these people are. It's so crazy to be here. I watched a YouTube video as we were coming here, and it talked about how these people are the happiest people on earth. And it's so true. They have such a peace about them and just are some of the sweetest people. So it's been a atrocious Sunday, the weather, but we finally got off the boat after hanging out after church. This is just a hot spring.
Yeah, it's not hot.
No. So we're coming to visit a lady that we met at church. Her husband, I think, is going to take us on a tour on Tuesday, but we just started walking, and people are so friendly to just say where everybody lives and so helpful. Come here, Gina. Whoa. It's crazy. I love the GoPro, except for at night. It's like hot. And if you like dig your feet down in the sand, it gets hotter and hotter. There's like hot water seeping out everywhere here, so it makes the ocean, in the ocean it's nice because it mixes, but it's like way too hot.
Oh, this is a video.
Oh. Wow, that volcano is so cool.
Won't you help us sing these songs of freedom? Is all I ever had. Redemption song. Redemption song.
This is David's family garden.
This is a young kauri. Young kauri tree.
What is it?
Kauri.
Kawi.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, this one is very small.